minute!
Nagkaroon ng chance ang GMA News na ma-one-on-one interview ang American Idol runner-up na si David Archuleta. At isa sa mga nireveal niya ay kung anong katangian ang gusto niya sa isang babae. Makichika tayo kay Grace Lee.
Ibinigo ni American Idol Season 7 runner-up David Archuleta ang mga fans na dumagsa sa kanyang concert. Ang mga hit songs niya, sinabayan pa nila. Ipinakita rin ni David ang skills niya on piano. After more than a year, David is back in town to promote his second album. Catchy ang title nito na The Other Side of Down, but still, it reflects his positive outlook.
What is the other side of down? Okay, so are you the other side of down is up? Life is hard, but life is good.
Mas sure na rin daw ngayon ni David sa impact na gusto niyang malikha ng kanyang musika.
I wanted to show the fun side of David, because this was my last chance to make an album while I'm still a teenager.
Right,
So,
because you're turning 20 next month.
Yeah.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Even if he's entering his 20s, di naman daw nagmamadali si David ng maka-love life. Pero sa lyrics ng isa niyang kanta, sinabi niya kung ano ang gusto niya sa isang babae.
She's anything but typical. You know, a sweet surprise, no matter what, she's looking at the bright side. And I think those are important things. I think there's so much more to girls that really you can be drawn to and attracted to that will last so much longer than just the way they look. You know?
Oh, I love you! We love you!
Mahal ko kayo, ako, the Filipino fans. Thank you so much.
Grace Lee updated sa showbiz happening.